Ken Hewitt, June 17th, 2024. I just turned 60 years old. I just Googled it. I figured out this camera can shoot in 5K. We're currently experiencing a heat wave. It's got to be 110 degrees out right now at 7 o'clock at night. It's hot. I also Googled whether or not this camera is waterproof, and it says it's waterproof to 33 feet. So we're going to test that. This could be an expensive lesson. So let's go for a swim. Corey, if you ever see this, I've never missed a human being as much in my life as I miss you right now. That's the straight up God's truth. I've never missed a person like that in my life. I love you. Well, the camera's still running. The water's beautiful. The display's doing something weird. There's an X and a check mark on it. I don't know what that means. Let's hit the check mark. Oh, it's still running. We're back to the X of the check mark. Auto exposure. Yeah, why not? Okay. Bye.